Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and court is in session in 2 cases. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jamarcus Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell, would you please come forward? The cases are cause numbers M339651 and cause number M330813. Both cases again are styled the state of Texas versus Jamarcus Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Mitchell?
Good.
That's good, Mr. Mitchell. You're representing your case by your attorney Brian Lane. Attorney Lane, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
Mr. Lane, what is your announcement in Mr. Jamarcus Mitchell's case?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the court for one more announcement. We've received an offer and we're just asking for one more announcement.
Give us the reset date.
September 13th.
Okay, Mr. Mitchell, your cases will be reset to September 13th, 2023. Your attorney is going to give you reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. All right, next cases are Marcus Mitchell, cause numbers M329598, cause number M329595. Mr. Marcus Mitchell, would you please come forward? Mr. Mitchell, your full name is Marcus Mitchell.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Mitchell?
Good.
That's good, Mr. Mitchell. You represented in this case also by attorney Brian Lane. Attorney Lane, what's your announcement in Mr. Marcus Mitchell's cases?
Your Honor, we're respectfully making the same announcement.
Okay, you gonna reset them on the same date?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of these cases will be reset till September 13th, 2023. Excuse me. Your attorney is gonna get a copy of your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Next case is cause number M331119, case of style state of Texas versus Alex Jamar Shelton. Mr. Shelton, would you please come forward? Mr. Shelton, your full name is Alex Jamar Shelton.
Yes.
How you doing, Mr. Shelton?
No,
That's good, Mr. Shelton. You're represented by attorney Brian Lane. Attorney Lane, what is your announcement in Mr. Shelton's case?
Your Honor, it'll be the same announcement. We attempted to get pretrial diversion. We were unfortunately not accepted into that program. And so now we are trying to negotiate this case.
Okay, have you received an offer on that case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna reset this case to September 13th as well. Okay, Mr. Shelton, your case will be reset to September 13th. Your attorney will give you a copy of your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Lane, I think this will conclude your cases. Once you get your resets, you'll be free to go as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. Catherine Cormier's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Catherine Cormier did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Cormier an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
That was my fault.
That motion will be granted. Catherine Cormier's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest in cause number M331930. And just for the record, now, Daniel Paul Wallace wasn't given notice. Okay, so next case is cause number M333321. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Daniel Paul Wallace. Daniel Wallace was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's announcement docket. At about 9 a.m., the court really called the name of Daniel Wallace at the courthouse door. Daniel Wallace did not answer. Daniel Wallace has not appeared since the court had been in session. The time now is 12:15 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Daniel Wallace or Daniel Paul Wallace at the courthouse door?
Daniel Paul Wallace. Daniel Paul Wallace. Daniel Paul Wallace.
Daniel Paul Wallace's name was just called at the courthouse door. Daniel Wallace did not answer. A reasonable time. Daniel Paul Wallace did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Wallace an opportunity to record. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
That was my fault.
That motion will be granted. Daniel Paul Wallace bond will be forfeited and the warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number M333321. And this will conclude the calling of the court's 3 dockets, the trial docket, the motion to revoke probation docket, and the announcement docket. All 3 dockets are scheduled this morning at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. And you're right, you're excused.
Thanks, Judge.
You are.